Hello everyone. So today we will learn something about GIMP. I am making a video on GIMP after a while, but this is something which I had in my list of videos to make. Now in GIMP, if you are trying to create, let us say, some banners, you may want to do some alignment. And when it comes to alignment, you want to figure out how to use the guides or how to use the center alignment. Basically, whenever you're talking about some graphics where you need to align things, then there are a few very simple things that you can do with GIMP. And if you're coming from some other softwares, like maybe some vector graphics software development tools, I mean not software development, some vector graphics tools like CorelDRAW or Inkscape or Illustrator, then you might find it slightly difficult in the beginning to figure out. Although it is not at all difficult, you just need to know how to do it. So my requirement is that I have this image, and on this image I may have let us say a text. So I'll write here some text. Okay, I'll write here Blackberry Boy, which is of course the name of my channel. So this is my text, and when you have a text here, you want to know how we can align it, maybe using a guideline. So if you drag on the left or from top, you can actually create some guidelines, and then you can actually drag and drop or do a snapping of the text using these guides. Now the way these guides work, of course, you need to have the snap to guides enabled, which is right now enabled for me, right, which is good. But this method is great where you want to do some alignment on the left hand side, right? Maybe you have one more line of text. Let us say GIMP tutorials, right? So this is something that I can do. I can then create one more line of text, and I can then align it on the left hand side. You can of course do it on the right hand side, but what if you want to align it on the center? Right, so aligning it on the center is not very obvious, but it is of course not at all difficult. So right now we have three objects. We have this background image, then we have this text number 1 and text number 2. So what I will do, I will show you how to do it. So you can go to the option here called image, and then go to guides, and then you will find this option here called new guide by percentage. So this is actually very important. Click on this by percentage, and then you need to insert two guides, one vertical, one horizontal, and you can position it in percentage. So if you do here 50% vertical, it will insert one guide vertically, and do the same thing for horizontal. So this is something that you can do, and now you have the center, right? Now the way GIMP works, if you're dragging any object, you will find this very little cross sign at the center of that particular object. It could be a text, it could be some image, and you then need to use it to align it or snap it to a guide. So you can actually snap this to the center. So right now what I'm doing is I'm basically making sure the background is in center, and maybe I want to change the background color, because why not, if you are doing it. So maybe I'll just select here a color, and I will change it. So let me just change the background color, and for my text, you have to basically do the same thing. You click on this move tool, or you press basically M, and you can select here, and then you can align it like this. Simple, right? So in this case, what I will do, I will basically align, because right now when I'm moving my text, I can see the plus sign, and this plus sign is actually align to the center. I can do the same thing for the GIMP tutorial, but this time I want to, of course, align it vertically. But I will be using the cross or the center of the second line, and then I will snap it to the vertical guide here. So it's very simple, and I thought I'll probably make a video to show you how to do it. And of course, on my channel I have few other videos where I talked about GIMP. I use GIMP. I have been using GIMP for many years. I think I guess from the beginning of GIMP, and it is my number one tool for doing graphic editing. All right, that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.